Dear students, today we shall study a story. The story is The Kind King. It is the story related to a king. The king was in ancient time. The king was very brave and kind. He was a very good king, very powerful king. So he won many states and established a very vast kingdom. He was kind, so he built roads. There were also trees beside the roads. He provided shelter for the poor people. It means he built rest houses for the poor people. To make the people of his state happy, he used to distribute gold coins among poor people on the eve of Diwali. The king had a white elephant. When it was Diwali, that time king distributed gold coins. A big round umbrella was put on the back of the elephant. The elephant was covered with silk cloth. The cloth of the elephant was very beautiful because the dress was covered with studs with precious stones. It was the eve of Deepavali, and on the eve of Diwali, the king was distributing coins. People were standing on the both side of the roads. They were standing there to get coins. The program was going on. When the king finished his program, he wanted to return. When he was returning, that time suddenly an old man came near the elephant. He took one pearl from the cloth of the elephant, or you can say he stole a pearl. There were many soldiers. One of the soldiers saw him. He cowed the old man. When the king knew it, that time the king ordered to beat the old man. The old man was beaten. He was old, so he lost his sense. But after some time, he got his sense and he was presented before the king. Then king wanted to know why did he steal the pearl. That time poor man informed him that he is very poor and he has a daughter. He wants to marry his daughter. He could not get any gold coin or any coin in that crowd. So for the marriage purpose of his daughter, he took the pearl from the elephant's cloth. When the king heard it, that time his kindness could be seen. He asked the old man, "What do you want now?" That time the old man said, "That I have already seen your anger. Now I want to see your kindness." The king gave the old man a bag of coins. The old man went from there happily. He arranged the marriage of his daughter with the help of that money. The king also came in that marriage, and he blessed the bride and the bridegroom. And there he announced, "From today I shall provide all facilities for the marriage of a poor man." Really, he was a kind king who wanted to solve the problem of the poor people, the citizen of his state, the people of his kingdom. And this was the cause he used to distribute gold coins so that people can celebrate festival happily. And when he knew that poor people have problem in the marriage of their daughters, that time he announced to provide facilities for the marriage of the poor people. A king must be kind. He must think about his people. A king must know what is the problem to his people, and if it is known, that time really he is a good king. Thank you.